Okay, I need to situate myself because I'm just not situated. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am not wearing any makeup because we're about to do some eye swatches. So, if you guys would like to see these gorgeous swatches right here, then just keep watching. Wait, that's the wrong way. If you guys would like to see these swatches right here, then just keep watching. Now I am doing a palette play, and this is the first part. The second part will be uploaded directly after this. And the first part I will be showing you all the swatches on my lids, and I'll just do a small tiny review on them. The second video will be using 3 looks using this palette, and I will be doing a dramatic look, a subtle / neutral, because sometimes subtle can be neutral, but sometimes neutral is not always subtle. And then I will be doing an artsy, colorful look. So if you would like to see that video, then it is going to be posted directly after this video. So after you watch this, you can go watch that. To start these out, I'm just going to let you guys know what I'll be doing with each shadow. So all the mattes, I'm going to be priming my eyelids, and then I'm going to be setting them with this, just a translucent powder. Now here's how I do the mattes. I'm just going to do one eye, so I'm going to be packing on the color first, so you can see the color on my lid, and then I'm going to be blending the top out so you can see how it blends. For sparkly shadows, I will be priming my eye, but I'm not going to be setting it, just so it has that kind of sticky base to sit on and, you know, be as vibrant as possible. That's normally how I do shadows. If I'm doing a really sparkly look, I just won't set my shadow. But I will be packing on the shimmer all over my lid, and then I will be applying it wet with some Fix Plus right to the center area, so you guys can see how it looks dry even though it's on a sticky base, and you can also see it wet. So you guys can get the color payoff of all of the shadows blended, packed on again, and then wet. So hopefully you guys like these, because I put a lot of effort into them. But anyways, let's start this video, and don't forget to head on over to my second video so you guys can see the 3 looks I created with it. Alright, we are uncomfortably close to my face right now, but that is okay because I really want you to get up close to the eyes. Okay, so the first shade that we're going to be going in with is Basic. Alright, so the next color we are going to be going in with is Cheens, and that is this beautiful warm chocolatey brown here. This is pigmented, ladies. Ooh, girl, this is gorgeous. This color. Oh, it's so, oh my goodness, this color is gorgeous. Alright, now we're gonna blend. Let's try this blended. Oh my goodness, a little goes a long way. Holy cow. Alright, now if you wanted to diffuse this, I would definitely add a lighter shade right up at the top there. But for the most part, this blended out really nicely. There is that line where I packed it on though, so that is something that you guys can just slowly add to and try and get more blending done. But that color is so beautiful. Alright, I'm going to take this off and we will start with the next two colors. So I will be right back. Alright, so the next color that we are going in with is Necessary. So this is a slightly darker nude. Alright, this is so beautiful. This is like that perfect transition color. Oh, it's like this really pretty kind of caramely butterscotch brown. I'm not too sure. I'm really bad at explaining colors, but that's what this is. It's Necessary. That was the perfect name for it. Alright, so now we are going in with one of their sparkly shadows, and this one's called Dirty Money. And this, ooh, look at this green, y'all. Can you see that? Oh, it's so pretty. Alright, so I'm going to pack this on, and then in the very center, I'm going to put it on wet. Okay, just note, a tiny speck of this just fell in my eye and it burned so bad. My eye is actually watering. I'm trying to not mess up any makeup below my eye because it burns. So that happened. Alright, so I think adding it wet did intensify that pigment and kind of make more of a seamless glitter there. Like, I just did it right in the center here, and it's a lot smoother here than it is dry, but honestly, I can't tell a difference with the actual color. And by increased pigment, I mean it just kind of like made the formula a little bit more smoother with it being wet. But that is a stunning color. That is this perfect green gold for fall. Alright, so now we are going in with two sparkly shadows. One of these is called A Moment, and then the other one is Try Me. Woohoo! This purple though, y'all. Ooh, girl. Alright, so we are going in with A Moment, which is, ooh, this beautiful blue Okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh. Okay, can you guys see that? Oh, it's gorgeous. Alright, now we're going to do that wet center with some Fix Plus real quick. Ooh, okay. So this is giving me super like oil slick vibes. I'm gonna get real close. Hopefully it's... That is stunning. Oh, that's such a pretty color. Now we are going in with Try Me, which is this really beautiful kind of cranberry sparkly red. Alright, so that is it dry. It's beautiful and it went on so easy. So now I'm going to do the middle wet. Okay, so wet, it brought out a lot more of like this, what kind of color is that? It brought more out of like that orange undertone shimmer color when I wet it. Alright, so now we're going to move on to Just a Kiss, and this is a gorgeous, like a champagne shimmer color. This is so pretty if you were to just wear this by itself. It's just so delicate. It's not like in your face sparkly, but it is just a kiss. I really love the shade now more because it really is. I haven't put this all over my lid yet, and I love it. So now I'm going to do Fix Plus right in the middle here. So let's see how this performs wet. Alright, so now I am going in with Girl Bye, which is this pretty kind of brick red color. So let's see how this looks dry, and then we're going to buff it out. This blended out so beautifully. Oh my gosh, these are so easy to blend. I love them, and I love this color. Also perfect for fall. This palette is just exquisite for fall. So let me take these off, and we are going to be moving on to our last two colors. Alright, I'm actually going to try a different technique just for this last matte shade to see if I like it better than what I've been doing. And this one is Churro. And this is this really pretty, beautiful, like a caramel brown, that's red, caramel brown right there. What I'm going to try first is blending it, and then I'm going to pack it on to see if that maybe works a little bit better than, you know, packing it on first and then blending it. So you guys can see better how well it actually blends. So if you're watching this, let me know in the comments if you like that better. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. I love this color. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do this first. I'm gonna blend first and then pack on because, yeah, right? Now I wish. No, I'm not redoing all these. Sorry, y'all. All right, let's put two on because this, she's pigmented. I mean, I don't really think you need 3 of her on. Oh, yes. Oh, and if you guys want to know, I am using the JH33, which is this kind of, it's one of her shorter but fatter blending brushes, and I super love this brush for blending. Oh, yes. All right, now we're packing it on. So let's see what this color looks like all over the lid. Can we just have a moment for just this color? Oh gosh, this color is so pretty. It's like, it's such a pretty, like, caramely brown color. Ooh, I love this. I guess we could say camel brown too, but I'm approved. All right, let's move on to this game over, which is this beautiful, like a gunmetal, but it has blue. Can you see it right there, the blue in it? When I shift it, it has this really pretty blue. Oh, it's gorgeous. All right, let's do it. Alright, so here's what happened when I got it wet. So, as you saw, it's almost black now. Like, you can't even see that blue in this lighting, but it kind of was like this gunmetal, and it has like little silver flecks. In the pan, it looks like almost like a blue, but when you get it wet, it becomes like this glossy, wet, black look. Like it's almost as if the little silver sparkles completely disappear. So that's kind of neat if you're wanting to do that kind of glossy black eye shadow type of look that is very artsy and dramatic looking, runway-esque. So that could be something that you could do to create that, is get this black one wet. But there you go. That is all the swatches of the eyes. So I hope you enjoyed them. And make sure to head on over to the next video to see the 3 looks that I created with this palette. Thank you for watching this. If you liked it, give it a like, a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, so you can keep up with these palette plays. And I will see you guys in the next video right after this. So, bye! Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm not wearing any makeup right now because I didn't even grab my palette. Wow, go me. But I will... Bye. Can you guys hear that guy revving his engine? Can you hear that? Alright. So what I'm gonna try first is shading it. Okay, I need to situate myself because I'm just not situated.